Did you know that by 2026, AI is projected to manage over $50 trillion in global assets? That's a staggering amount, and it's reshaping how we manage our own money. This video will show you how today's AI isn't just about fancy apps. It's about unlocking unprecedented control over your personal finances, from effortless budgeting to smart savings. If you're ready to put your money to work smarter, consider subscribing for weekly breakdowns like this. And tell us in the comments, what's your biggest financial goal right now? Now let's dive into the AI revolution that's already here. Think of artificial intelligence in finance not as a complex robot, but as your super smart financial assistant. It's like having a personal analyst who can sift through mountains of data in seconds, spotting patterns you'd never see. For instance, while a basic app might just show you where your money went, AI can predict where you're likely to overspend next month based on your historical habits. It learns your unique financial fingerprint. According to research from Accenture, AI is already improving efficiency in financial services by up to 40%. This isn't science fiction. It's about leveraging smart technology to make managing your money simpler, more intuitive, and ultimately, more powerful. The term AI-powered budgeting often conjures images of complex algorithms, but at its core, it represents a significant leap beyond simple automated tracking. Think of it less like a digital ledger and more like a financial advisor who never sleeps. While traditional apps might categorize transactions, AI goes further by learning individual spending habits. This allows for predictive insights, identifying potential overspending before it happens. For instance, a study by the National Bureau of Economic Research found that personalized financial advice, a key component of AI budgeting, can lead to a 10% increase in savings rates. What truly sets AI budgeting apart is its ability to offer personalized recommendations. Instead of generic advice, these systems analyze a user's unique financial landscape, income, spending patterns, and goals to suggest tailored strategies. Is it a surprise that the average American household underestimates their monthly discretionary spending by nearly $200, according to a survey by the Financial Planning Association? AI tools can pinpoint these blind spots, much like a navigation app rerouting traffic before a major jam. This intelligence extends to identifying subtle spending leaks. I might notice a recurring subscription that's no longer being used, or suggest that consolidating multiple small purchases could lead to significant savings over time. It's about transforming raw financial data into actionable intelligence, making financial planning more intuitive and less like a chore. The landscape of personal finance is transforming, with artificial intelligence leading the charge in 2026. These sophisticated tools go far beyond simple automated spreadsheets, offering predictive insights and truly personalized financial guidance. Consider the average household. They often spend hours manually reconciling accounts. AI budgeting apps aim to eliminate that time sink, acting like a dedicated financial advisor in one's pocket. But what exactly makes an app AI-powered? It's the ability to learn from spending habits, identify patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed, and proactively suggest adjustments. For instance, an AI might notice a recurring subscription that's no longer being used and flag it for potential cancellation, saving an estimated $20 to $50 per month on average for such services, according to a recent analysis by the FinTech Research Group. When selecting an AI budgeting app, ease of setup and robust features are paramount. Imagine an app like FinAI Buddy, known for its intuitive onboarding process that takes under 5 minutes. It connects securely to financial institutions, allowing it to analyze transactions in real time. This isn't just about tracking where money goes, it's about understanding why. Connecting a financial app to bank accounts and credit cards might sound daunting, but it's designed with robust security. Think of it like using a secure online portal for banking. The same principles apply. These applications utilize encryption standards, much like those used by major financial institutions, to safeguard data. For instance, services like Plaid, a common intermediary for account linking, employ industry-standard encryption and security protocols to protect sensitive information. But what happens to that data once it's shared? This is a common concern. Reputable AI finance apps treat this data with extreme care, often anonymizing it for analytical purposes and never selling it to third parties. The primary goal is to provide personalized financial insights, not to compromise privacy. Did you know that, according to a 2023 report by the Financial Health Network, consumers who use financial apps that offer personalized insights report higher financial well-being? The process itself is streamlined. Typically, users select their financial institution from a list within the app, then authenticate using their existing online banking credentials. This is a direct, secure connection established through your bank's own verified login portal. This method ensures the app never actually sees the user's banking password, adding an extra layer of security. Imagine a financial assistant that never sleeps, tirelessly sifting through transactions to reveal exactly where every dollar goes. This is the power of AI-driven expense tracking. These sophisticated tools go far beyond simple manual entry, using intelligent algorithms to automatically categorize spending with remarkable accuracy. For instance, a study by PYMNTS found that consumers often miscategorize a significant portion of their spending, leading to a distorted view of their financial habits. AI systems, however, can learn individual spending behaviors, recognizing recurring subscriptions, identifying unique purchases, and flagging unusual activity, often with over 90% accuracy. But how does this intelligence actually work? Think of it like a highly trained detective. The AI analyzes the merchant name, transaction amount, and even the time of day to determine if a purchase at the coffee spot is for a morning latte or a business lunch. It's akin to recognizing a familiar face in a crowd. The system identifies patterns based on vast amounts of data. Did you know that, on average, people underestimate their monthly spending on dining out by nearly 20%? AI can bring this hidden spending to light, presenting a clear, unbiased picture. This automated categorization allows for a deeper understanding of spending patterns that might otherwise be missed. It's like having a magnifying glass on your financial life, revealing trends that can inform smarter decisions. For example, the AI might notice a consistent increase in online shopping purchases during specific times of the year, prompting a review of impulse buying habits. This proactive insight is a significant advantage over traditional budgeting methods. Imagine a financial assistant that doesn't just track spending, but anticipates needs. This is the promise of predictive AI and automating savings. These sophisticated tools analyze an individual's income patterns, spending habits, and stated financial objectives to craft highly personalized saving strategies. For instance, an AI could identify that a person consistently has surplus funds in their checking account during the last week of each month. Instead of waiting for a manual transfer, the AI can be programmed to automatically move a portion of that surplus into a savings or investment account, maximizing growth potential. But how does this predictive intelligence actually work? Think of it like a smart thermostat for finances. Just as a thermostat learns when a home is typically occupied to adjust heating and cooling, AI analyzes historical financial data to predict future cash flow. A study by the Financial Planning Association found that individuals who utilized automated savings tools saw their savings rates increase by an average of 20% within the first year. This automation extends beyond simple transfers. Predictive AI can also optimize the amount saved. If an unexpected expense arises, like a car repair costing $500, the AI can instantly recalculate the optimal savings contribution for the following months to still meet the original savings goal without undue strain. This adaptive approach ensures that savings goals remain on track, even amidst life's inevitable fluctuations. It's about making saving less of a chore and more of a seamless, intelligent process. Imagine a financial assistant that never sleeps, constantly sifting through transactions to find those hidden drains on resources. That's the power of AI in identifying spending leaks. These intelligent systems go beyond simple categorization, analyzing patterns that might escape the human eye. For instance, research from the National Bureau of Economic Research in 2023 highlighted how subtle increases in subscription services, often forgotten, can collectively amount to hundreds of dollars annually per household. But how does an AI actually spot these leaks? Think of it like a detective. It looks for anomalies. A sudden spike in dining out, recurring charges for services no longer used, or even comparing spending habits to similar demographic profiles, as often done by platforms like Rocket Money. This isn't about judgment, it's about providing objective data. Did you know that according to a 2024 study by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, nearly 40% of consumers reported difficulty tracking their spending, leading to unintentional overspending? Once a potential leak is identified, AI doesn't just point it out, it offers solutions. It might suggest renegotiating a specific bill, like a mobile plan, or highlight unused gym memberships. Consider the case of a hypothetical user who consistently spent $75 a month on unused streaming services. An AI could flag this, prompting a review and leading to a saving of $900 annually. It's about transforming raw data into actionable strategies for cost reduction, freeing up capital for more meaningful financial objectives. Imagine financial management transforming from a tedious chore into an intuitive, almost effortless process. This shift is powered by artificial intelligence, or AI, which is rapidly reshaping how individuals approach their money. AI budgeting goes far beyond simple spreadsheet automation. It's about gaining predictive insights and receiving personalized financial guidance. Think of it like having a dedicated financial analyst, available 24/7, analyzing financial data with incredible speed and accuracy. How can technology truly understand individual spending habits and anticipate future needs? AI algorithms are designed to learn from vast datasets, identifying patterns that might elude the human eye. For instance, a study by the Brookings Institution highlighted how AI can detect subtle correlations in spending, predicting potential overspending in certain categories weeks in advance. This predictive power is key to avoiding future financial pitfalls. Understanding these AI-generated reports is crucial. They aren't just numbers, they represent actionable insights. An AI might flag a recurring subscription that's no longer used, saving an average of $10 to $20 per month, or predict a potential cash flow shortage based on upcoming bills and typical spending patterns. This proactive approach allows for adjustments before a problem arises, much like a weather forecast allows for preparation before a storm.